Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody contacted me off one of my videos, and this isn't exact. I just drew this real quick, and I actually drew a little taller, but it's a design kind of like I've done with an Aztec type shape. And if you have 2019 Corel Draw, you could do this. You select that, hold down the Shift key, and select your path. And let's say we want 15 from the bottom, and hit apply, and it puts them where they look like they keep going. But his real question was, could you not do it to like the letter 2? And I really don't think so. You'd have to do it in 2 steps because it can't take this turn. So we're going to select one of these, hold down the Shift key, select the 2. Well, I need to join these curves. Well, join curves, hit apply, so they're joined. Now we can open the object to path, and we're going to put, let's say 50. We don't have them both selected. Hold down the Shift key and select your 2 now, and let's go a little bit more. Let's go 20. Hit apply. See how close they are? There's still a space between them. Let's back up, make them 30. That doesn't look too bad. And then you would have to have another copy. Hold down the Shift key and select that one. And this time we're just going to put like 12. Now my suggestion would be to mirror these and then bring them into your 2. Now I do not know why you would want to do that, but that was his question, and I hope it helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.